Alright you guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great day. Now today we are back working on Penny, and today we are installing something super freaking cool. This is something I've wanted to install for a while. I originally wanted to install this on Beep, but I never got around to putting one in. And you might be curious, or you're probably not curious because you probably clicked on the video because of the title. But today we're going to be installing this digital rear view mirror that I got off TikTok shop. It's already opened because I did a review on TikTok. If you don't follow me on TikTok, I always have it in my description. Go follow me on TikTok, maybe support, buy some of my stuff in my marketplace to help support the rebuild of Penny. But I'm in the works of putting a new headliner into Penny right now. I can show you inside. Crack windshield. You can see I have a whole bunch of sound deadening up there because we're about to put a new headliner in, and I wanted to sound deaden at first, and I figured it's the perfect time to get this because the headliner has to come down for this to go in because the wire for the rear view camera has to run through the headliner. So we're going to be installing this today. I'm super freaking excited. The Jeep is dead, so I'm gonna have to jump it with the work truck, but we'll get to that when we get to that. All right, so the dumbass before me who owned this car, or the dumbass who owned this car before me, put the little notch thing that the rear view mirror goes on upside down. So it's supposed to go like that, and then there's like the little screw hole. So for right now, we have to put it on the wrong way. But this windshield obviously is getting replaced, so it's gonna have to be taken down and re-put on anyway. So it should be fine. But for right now, I'm just putting this on so that we can get the wiring set up in the correct order, or the correct way. And now this kit is super simple. This mirror literally just straps on to your old mirror. So I'm gonna put that on real quick. All right, so I don't know how well you're gonna be able to see. I might be blocking your view, but let me unplug these. And then there's these little rubber straps that go over. It's super simple. Okay, so I just did a couple of things off camera. First things first, I roughly mocked up where the camera's going. Obviously, it's gonna be going more center. I'm buying a 3D printed thing off of TikTok where you can mount a camera into where the third brake light goes, and then there's two little brake lights on the side. Probably gonna be posting a video of installing that on just TikTok because it's literally gonna take like 30 seconds to just bolt it on. So that's just for right now. And then also these wires dangling are just for right now. The way I'm gonna route them, they're gonna go up into there and then all the way around on inside the little plastic pieces, and I can't put those plastic pieces back in until I do the headliner. So if you want to see that, you have to wait for the headliner video to come out, which should be sooner rather than later. I just need to go and buy the glue and the material to do the headliner, and then the headliner's going back up. But everything else is all plugged in. I still need to get an SD card because this thing does act as a dash cam and you can save videos on it. So I need to get an SD card for it. But I think there's a protective layer on it that I want to peel off. There we go. Is it gonna focus? There we go. So here's how it works. Garbage. Pretty much while it is off, it acts as a regular mirror. So let me adjust it to what the regular mirror would look like. Okay, so that's better. I can see out of the back window there. And now if I turn the car on, it's gonna turn on. There it goes. Welcome. Oh, the camera's upside down. That's funny. Okay, same as before. This is very temporary. I just command stripped it up. Let's see what it looks like in the car. The car is a fucking mess right now. Please don't mind it. Look at how many hot Cheetos I have. I'm not gonna eat like any of them, but look how cool that is. All right, the glare is really bad on camera, but I do believe, oh, so yeah. So I have rear view here, front there. There's a bunch of different options. It's just front, that's just back. It's opposite, yeah. So there's a bunch of different options of what you can, the glare is so bad, what you can do, which is super cool. And yeah, I'm super excited. What is home? Car DVR. What does that mean? Oh, I need to change the time on this too. Alright, the camera battery is about to die. Alright, so I fixed the date and the time. There's the date and the time up there. But yeah, this thing is super freaking cool. It is only 1080p. Maybe eventually I'll get a 4K one, but this was the cheapest one on TikTok Shop. And it's very good for the value. Oh, it's gonna shut down because I think the battery is dying. But yeah, if you wanna go get one, go to my TikTok. I have it in my TikTok Shop. And I think this is where I am going to be ending off today's video. I know it's a very short video, but my camera battery is about to die. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I will see you in the next one. Peace.
See